There you go.
Okay, this looks totally wrong, and I know what it is. But I'm gonna get Jake 319 over here to test it. This is gonna hurt so bad, guys. Okay. That wasn't supposed to happen. I'll show you it real time. Don't go like this, you're gonna bust your nuts. I'll show you. Go down the front way. Go down the front way. Like this.
Now that's what I call nut burn.
Nobody likes roasted nuts. And I got that from, is it a good idea to microwave it?
This is Jake 319 saying, boys, do not try this. And don't try this, girls.
I call this the nut burner for the boys.